Hey guys, it's time to rock out. Literally. Hey, please suck these up. Today, I'm painting rocks. Why? Because they rock. Now, I could go on with these rock puns all day, but this video might be a little hard to watch. Unless, of course, you're stoned. Hey, thank you. I'll be here all night because I'm not moving. Just like the rocks. Now, I went out to the front of my house and just picked up a handful of rocks. It was raining at the time, unfortunately, so I just tried to grab some of the drier looking rocks that I could find. And I grabbed a few and then I went back inside and got straight to painting. Some people, when they paint rocks, choose to paint them white first, which is generally a good idea. I chose not to, just out of pure laziness. And for the most part, I don't think it made too much difference. Except I did paint some green ones and they weren't very vibrant at the end. Firstly, I painted one side of the rock. I tried to get as much of it done as I could in the first bit, and then I did a couple layers that way, and then I let them dry for a little bit. Afterwards, I flipped them over and continued with the other side. I did paint a variety of colors: yellow, pink, orange, and green. And then I was done. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. No, actually, I'm kidding. What? You're not laughing. Do you have a heart of stone? Anyway, back to the video. So, I haven't told you why I'm painting rocks yet. So, while I show you what I'm painting on top of the background, I'm going to tell you a little story. So what's happened is I've joined a community. I mean, it kind of sounds like a cult when you say it like that, but it's not. Anyway, so I've joined a cult that is basically just playing one giant game of hide and seek with their own custom hand-painted rocks. It started because my wife and I were actually out doing some shopping at Kmart, and my wife came across this strawberry painted rock, and this wasn't just your ordinary strawberry painted rock. This rock actually had some writing on the back of it. Firstly, it did have a postcode, which I'm not going to show you, but it also had a Facebook logo on it. At first, I was a bit skeptical of the Facebook rock, like, had Mark Zuckerberg deployed spy rocks in the middle of a random Kmart in Australia? Was he trying to get all my information? Is this how he's going to overthrow the world? Am I a rock? What's happened? No, my wife said as she quickly pulled up a group on Facebook called Queensland Rocks. And like I said, it's just a community of people that like to paint rocks and then go out into the wild and hide them. And if you're lucky enough, you might just come across one, find it, and at that point you can either choose to keep it for yourself, maybe start a little rock collection, or you can choose to re-hide it so someone else can find it. The point of the postcodes being on there is so you can see how far one particular rock has traveled at all times. Or what I want to do is try and collect as many of the postcodes as I can come across, you know. It's actually a really cool and fun concept. And another funny thing is that I actually found another rock of my own just like a few days later. Amy has also been painting rocks. So, of course, I want to join in the fun, so that's why I'm painting rocks today. So I decided to create my own mini series of rocks for people to collect. As you can see, each rock has a different facial feature on it. I really liked how these turned out, especially after a couple layers of clear coat. I did choose to leave the Facebook logo off of there, and I instead painted my own little logo on there. Each of them also have little letters on them representing which part of the face they are, like the right eye has an R and an E, and the left eye has an L and an E, the nose has an N, etc, etc. And I've actually gone out and hid them around Brisbane as well. So if you're in Brisbane, you can actually go and find them. I would start at Chermside. And if you do happen to come across them, please let me know either on Twitter or Instagram, or even come back to this video and let me know in the comments. Or if you happen to collect the whole series, I promise it's going to be worth something one day. Even if it's worth like $2, that's something, you know. So I promise it's got some like minuscule value at the moment, but who knows, maybe in a few years, like, it might actually be worth something, you know. Anyway, subscribe to my channel so you yeah, you get the picture. Anyway, here's a few little clips of me actually hiding them at Chermside. So, you know, if you do want to go check it out, here's a few clues for you. So before you go, I do have a tiny little itty bitty channel update for you guys. I've decided to start uploading some like drawing time lapses for you for some extra content. It's just easy, relaxing videos to watch, and I'm really happy with them. I feel like I can get a lot of them out. I'm thinking about just doing 2 to possibly 3 a week if I feel up for it. But please go and check them out and let me know if you like that idea as well. I'm still going to be making other content as well. I don't only want to stick to the drawings. Just to clarify that, I will be making other art videos and like painting stuff and making clothes and whatever else, and just doing whatever I want. So thanks for watching. That's just about it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.